Good morning. Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make tom yum. We have 3 ways of tom yum. We're going to make it today. The first one we make clear tom yum soup. Okay, the second one tom yum with tamarind chili paste. It make the taste more tasty. All right, and the third one also carry on from the second one, tom yum tamarind chili paste, and also we put evaporated milk. We call tom yum nam khon. Then now we start from the first one first, the basic one,
Start from the first one first, yeah?
Yeah, okay, we start from tom yum clear soup first. The basic way. All right, I think we did before.
We did
This
a
one,
few
yeah.
before, yeah.
No, we did this one before, and now we just repeat. You like or you don't like, I don't care. I want to show. Okay, now we put the water, just no more water from the tap. We put this amount, any bowl you like, yeah. Okay, you on the water, you on the gas. We waiting for the water boil. I show you all the ingredients first. Kalanka, sliced lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, banana shallot, chili, small Thai red chili, or you can use bird eye chili. Tomato, you can use normal tomato, but we use the cherry tomato, and coriander. We cannot get the coriander root, we just use all the normal coriander and slice it. And then lime juice, the fresh one, salt, and prawns, or you can use prawns, or you can use seafoods, any meat you like, or even chicken, or fish, sliced fish. Okay, bottom mushroom. Right, okay, now the water boil. Okay, we put all the ingredients we have prepared, yeah, put in there. Boil a little bit, 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, we get all the smell or the taste of ingredient come out. And then we taste it. We put the taste. Half teaspoon of salt. We put a mushroom. If you like, you put more as you like. Yeah, boil a little bit. Then you put prawns. And lime juice, 1, 2. Just slowly put, if not become too sour. And then pinch of sugar, because we don't put MSG. That's it. Then look nice, yeah. Okay, now then you off the gas. Then let me taste. Add a little bit more. Okay, not salt enough. We put a little bit more salt. You taste, man. Okay, now we're ready to serve. Yeah.
But the viewers, they can use vegetable stock if they
can use.
or can use like a chicken stock.
Can use chicken stock. Can use the vegetable stock, or can use MSG a little bit. Yeah, but I just do plain. I add a little bit
But this
more.
one is really quick to do at home.
Yeah, this one very quick to do at home. You put it in front first, then you can show. Okay, now the second one, tom yum prawn with tamarind chili paste. Yeah, we do the same way, the same ingredient, the same amount. Yeah, as usual, like lemongrass, even kalanga. If you cannot get the fresh one, you can get the frozen one and keep in the freezer. You can take it out, or even kaffir lam leaf. Yeah, still fresh, but this one or the fresh one, right? And yeah, of course, the fresh one much nice, lots of nicer. Okay, because sometimes you cannot get right. Okay, the same way we do, right? We put the water, just no more water, or even you can use the chicken stock in there, vegetable stock, if you like. Okay. Right, we throw all the ingredients in there. It's the same thing. Yeah, leave for a while. Salt, half teaspoon. This one hot. Or you can put less chili if you cannot handle the hot. But my creepy man, he can handle very hot. Okay. Now we put prawn. Yeah, we put prawn and a mushroom. Even you can use oyster mushroom, it's nice. But this one you easy to get from the supermarket, right? Also pinch of sugar, and now tamarind chili paste extra. This the chili paste you can watch from video. You can watch from the previous video how we make it. Okay. Yeah, we put this no, we put this spoon, tablespoon. Okay, now lemon, lime juice, not lemon. 2. Yep. Okay. Now we taste it. How the taste like? Oh my God.
Spicy?
No. Yeah. Okay. The color is more red, more tasty, more spicy. And then how it look like. Okay, now the third one, evaporated milk. Okay, the third one, tom yum prawn nam khon. Yeah, we do the same thing like the second one, and then we put the evaporated milk, make it thicker. Okay, the ingredient also the same. Yeah, I don't need to tell what the ingredient. Then we put the water. The same thing, the water. You can use the water left over from the second one. And then the ingredient more salt, prawn, mushroom, okay. When the prawn have cooked, we put also pinch of sugar, 2 lime juice, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of tamarind chili paste, and then last one evaporated milk, 1 and another one 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk to make it thicker. This one we call น้ำข้น. You see, there are 3 ways of tom yum. We can make it in 15 minutes after we have do the preparation. Let me taste. This is also the best.
Yeah,
อร่อย
I chop a น้ำพริกเผา
อร่อย Okay, now we ready to serve this one. เดี๋ยวจะกินข้าวละ
หิวเหรอ
หิว โอเค อยู่ไปถ่ายรูปก่อนไป
Put the cheese on this one.
Yep. Yeah. This one how ต้มยำน้ำข้น look like.
Okay, so we're gonna try these. We're gonna start off with the clear tom yum. I'm just trying the soup first. Oh, that's so good. Then the nam pik pao. Oh, so good. And then the nam kon. Well, they're all amazing. The clear one is obviously the most basic, but you still get loads of flavor coming through. If you want to up your game, then go for the nam pik pao. Just get that umami, rich, flavor laden from the tamarind chili paste coming through. Don't forget, if you want to see how to make that, I'll put it up here. And then if you want something just a bit, it's just more creamy, rich, you want to go for the nam kon. But personally, I prefer the nam pik pao, because you get the more the flavor coming through than with the nam kon, just because the nam kon dilutes it a little bit. But these are just, yeah. So that's tom yum 3 ways. So we're gonna eat, and hope you enjoyed this video. We enjoyed doing it, and yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We've hit 20,000 subscribers, so that's really good. Really good going, and yeah, thanks for your continued support. We really appreciate it. So see you next time. Take care now. Bye.